Ever encountered the infamous RingCentral error code 3? This troublesome issue often appears when trying to join a meeting via the RingCentral web application. A puzzling situation indeed, as some members manage to connect, while others are left scratching their heads over this error. Curiously enough, for some of you, the meeting might even attempt to launch through the browser instead of the RingCentral app. Now, what if we told you there's a way to resolve this issue? Yes, you heard it right. So, what's the official take on this? According to a thread on the RingCentral community, it seems this problem is known and acknowledged by RingCentral. This suggests the error is likely on their end, but don't worry, there's a workaround. The first recommended step is to clear your cache and cookies. Once you've done that, give the RingCentral app a fresh start and see if the error persists. It's a simple fix that could potentially save you a lot of trouble. But what if the error is still there, stubborn as ever? Well, in that case, it's time to bring in the big guns. The RingCentral support team. They're there to help. To report your issue, create a support ticket and wait for their assistance. You can also refer to status.ringcentral.com to find out if there are any ongoing issues with the RingCentral system. Lastly, while the issue is being sorted out, there's another alternative to ensure your meetings aren't delayed. Try using the RingCentral app instead of the web application. Several users have reported that they didn't encounter error code 3 when they shifted to the app. So, it's worth giving it a shot until the RingCentral team resolves the issue. So, to wrap up, if you're facing the RingCentral error code 3, first, try clearing your cache and cookies. If that doesn't work, report the issue to the RingCentral support team. And finally, while waiting for a resolution, consider using the RingCentral app instead of the web application. Remember, every problem has a solution, and this one's no different. Let's hope your RingCentral experience will be error-free from now on. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates visit queries.com.